Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's sled season. As you can see, we're snow all around us. Here we're gonna do an MBRP exhaust install on this. Not really an install video, but I'm gonna throw in the exhaust. I'll try to get it before and after. Usually I'm pretty crap with doing that stuff with all the bikes and shit, but I try to keep up with it. And yeah, anyways, we're gonna put MBRP Race can on my Renegade 850. Should be decent. Okay. I'll put this open. Look how giant that thing is, man. It's actually crazy. Should sit something like that. Like, that size comparison's insane. This thing is gonna be loud. Okay, so the Renegade's finally gonna get the MBRP race can. So here we go. Finally, we've reached the hood. That's it. Just put it down right here. Anyways, now we're open to the exhaust. So I guess we gotta take the heat shield off. Just pulling these clamps off should be fairly simple. This one here, done. Okay, heat shield comes out. I guess we gotta do some minor trimming because the new O2 sensor should be around here. Anyways, heat shield comes off. Okay, now we got a 10 mil to take out down here. We gotta pull these two springs, so we'll do that real quick. One dropped in the bottom of my sled. Okay, so pull the 10 mil out behind the exhaust. That just comes off a little stud. Disconnect the O2 sensor. Pull her out. Look at this fat thing. Get rid of this garbage. Don't want it. Don't want it. We're gonna have to pull this out though. So we're gonna grab the new exhaust. All right. And we need 2 of these mounts now. So we'll pop these out. 1 and 2. Don't need the third. Pop these in place, and then I'm gonna throw them back in. And then she's gonna sit right back down. And I gotta pull this off so I could reuse it here. And I'm pretty sure with the Renegade, you don't need to use this extension. This is for summits and free rides, I think. But yeah, that's it. So stock O2 sensor sits here, and I guess on the way it was ran on this can, it was zip tied, so I'm gonna have to cut it, make it run shorter. Probably zip tie it to here so it's not touching anything hot. But yeah, we'll see. Because right now it can't reach, it's too short. So stretch her out. Stud down here. We don't use this anymore, but that's insane how much space we're like saving. Crazy. I just gotta tighten up the O2 sensor or heat sensor, whatever. Put the spring on from here to here, then I can start throwing the hood back on.
Has to be stainless, right?
Yeah.
That's why. So like when you get that nice coloration, it's so sexy.
Yeah, like I don't want to see burnt fingerprints. Now I just need to throw the heat shield on, but I'm quite sure there's trimming that needs to be done. I guess about yay. Just mark it with a Sharpie. Tin snips is good, grinder, whatever the fuck you have. Just sit around the sensor. Now we can pop the clips back on, and we're good. All right, here she goes. Way to do it.
Oh, that's so funny. The way your panel goes on is reversed than mine. Give it the old smack test.
She's fucking ready to go, bro. Okay, so the MBRP exhaust is on. The race can. So I'll start it up for you, get the sound, and yeah. Alright, now take up a bit slower. What's cooking?
Oh, you know, your everyday thing. We just got our trail pizza here.
Trail pizza?
You heard me right. Trail pizza.
It is trail pizza? Insane. Eat it.
Oh, bro, I'm excited to. What do you mean?
I need to see if it's unreal.
Oh, shit, it's actually warm.
Really? Give it a rate, 1 to 10.
Everybody knows the rules, one bite.
Oh shit! I like it. What's this guy doing over here? Oh yeah, baby. So that's it for the MBRP install. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And just gonna load up and head home. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep doing what you're doing.